All right, guys, so we got a new project. Here she is, our beautiful 280Z. And mission today is to get her running. Come on. What we're looking at is a L28 2.8 engine from a 280Z. Came originally with the car. And the carburetors are shot. I don't know what's wrong with them. Okay, so we already got the hoses off that were connected to here, a couple fuel lines. And just making sure I disconnected everything else. Next up here is we have to remove these bolts. Getting all these nuts out. And we're gonna go ahead and throw them into our plastic bag here. Make sure we don't lose anything. I'm gonna remove the fuel rail here. All right, looks like we have to remove a heat shield here in order to access another set of bolts here. This little heat shield out of the way.
I got you.
Okay, so that should be it. Now, should be able to just remove this now. Oh! Thank you, thank you. Yes! We did it. Step one complete. All right, so we got the new gasket here. And I just realized that I need to remove the whole exhaust manifold off of the engine block in order to put the new gasket. So I guess it goes all together. So a couple more nuts here. Quick power break.
One more.
Before or after? Okay, we're getting there. Exhaust manifold back on. New gasket is on. Now it's time to throw on the new intake manifold. All right, these are the new ones. They were rebuilt, and tuned by Taka, very popular guy in the Datsun scene and in carburetors. He's really good at what he does. And I was blessed by these by the guy that I purchased the car from. So thank you guys, appreciate it. And let's throw them in there. Okay guys, so we are at the finish line, I think. We are just double checking everything, making sure everything is all nice and tight. Okay guys, moment of truth. We have it all installed now. Now, let's find out if it starts. So you made it to the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Towards the end, I don't know if you could tell, but the engine did accelerate really high and we had a moment of panic. And so we cut the video there and we were just trying to figure out what was going on, but it was the idle and the linkage to the throttle. It was, when it was set to where it was just automatically, you know, shooting the RPMs super high. But anyways, up next is an exhaust system and some air filters. That way we can do the fine tuning on the carburetors and really get this car running. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.